Can't believe, dude. The sun is setting. It's looking really beautiful. I thought it's important to make capture karo. Hey, this is fun. Don't do that. Let's complete the entire round. We have so much time. Crazy. So what? It's so tiring. That was really fancy. मैंने कभी नहीं देखा है ऐसा कुछ. Morning. We are on our way to Kochi from Bangalore. One of the major reasons of taking this route was because we heard, saw and believe that it's going to be very scenic. So here's hoping the sun will be out in half an hour or so. Our journey started at 5 o'clock from Bangalore railway station. Right now we are more than halfway through. We'll be reaching Kochi in another 3 hours. Hi, took a shower, now nice, fresh and ready. Ideally we were supposed to go out for dinner, but we might not. We're considering having dinner at the hotel itself and exploring the pool. Okay, it's 5:45 right now. We were supposed to go out a little earlier, but we slept a little, and girls being girls, हमें थोड़ा time लग गया ready होने में. So now we're headed to explore the property. We are just headed back to our room, and I thought I'll show you how amazing the sunset is. It's not like a proper sunset, but the colors of the sky are beautiful. Hello, good morning. We're all dressed to head out. Today we're going to explore Fort Kochi, and yeah, had a nice sleep, a nice breakfast. Now we're out. It's really hot. We just started from our hotel here in Ernakulam and we're going to Fort Kochi. Initially we thought we'll take the water metro, but last minute पे we checked कि water metro के terminal तक और directly Fort Kochi तक same time लग रहा था in a car, so we decided to go with the car because it's really hot right now. And yeah, the plan is to go for Binale. We'll go and see that for a bit. We are here at Aspen Hall. यहाँ पे Binale हो रहा है, and we have just come to see some of it. Actually, it's happening in multiple venues in Kochi. We just thought we'll check out one. We are currently on the streets of Jewtown, and we got our own hand fans, the electric ones, but we ran out of battery, so we had to buy fans right now because it's really hot. It's very, very hot.
Now we're still exploring Jewtown, but like a better street where there's no traffic. The street is narrower, and you've got really nice shops. I'm usually not the one जिसको बहुत गर्मी लगती है, but the weather here is so bad that even I have a bit of a headache right now. We were loitering around and then we thought we have to stop somewhere to cool down a little. And surprisingly, a lot of cafes don't even have ACs. So this is our jugaad for now. Once again, we're back to our room. It's 4 o'clock. And बाहर कुछ करने का मन कर नहीं रहा था because the temperature was too much. It's very hot. We still have headache, so we are just going to stay inside, enjoy the pool or something. Now we're thinking of going to the pool. Let's see how that goes because I am hydrophobic. We came back from the pool और अभी we are just sitting here. Sunset हो चुका है. Just chilling for a bit because the weather is really nice right now. How strange. थोड़ी देर पहले I kept saying it's so harsh, but it's really good right now. Good morning. Today is day 3 of the trip. We are all set and ready. We had breakfast. It's around 12 o'clock. We're just waiting for our cab to Kumarko. Thank you. This is such a nice drink. Meanwhile, this is my view right now.
It's got a massive bathroom. It's neat and tidy and really big and decent lighting, I'd say. Then here's the space for your luggage, for other things.
Hey, this is fun.
Don't do that. Let's complete the entire round. We have so much time.
Crazy.
So what?
It's so tiring.
It's so beautiful.
We're just exploring the place. It's so nice and surreal right now. We saw a spot a while back. We're going to just check if it's still available. How nice. Wow.
I was just writing
my journal, something that I usually do whenever I'm traveling. So पिछले 2 दिन से I had missed out on it, so I did not want to finish the vacation and not write anything at all because you tend to genuinely forget things. So yeah, I plan and wish to maintain a journal that has even the smallest of details, like if I know the driver's name and everything like that. You know, one thing I've figured out here in Kerala especially is that you won't have many options for vegetarian food. It's mostly seafood or the basic non-veg. Veg food is there but not that great, or they try to make aloo and chole, but it's not great. So that's a bit of a bummer.
Good morning again. It's almost 8:15. It's been around 45 minutes that I've been out. Now I'm just gonna go back to the room, quickly change, because we have a spa appointment at 8:30. Of course, अब तुम केरला आओगे और तुम ट्रेडिशनल मसाज नहीं लोगे तो मज़ा कैसे आएगा? It was a really different massage, I must say. The oils, they smelled different. One thing that I really liked was they gave us a steam after the massage, and that steam thing was so weird. It was like a box sort of a thing. You had to sit inside it with your head sticking out, and that was really fancy. मैंने कभी नहीं देखा ऐसा कुछ. Hello, good evening. We have arrived at our destination, Varkala, and we are staying at Marlone's home by Tripp's Life. This was the entrance, which I had to just lock because it's a very small property, slightly open on the sides. So, for safety purposes, it's better you just lock yourself inside. I'll take you through. You might have seen the property in Varkala that's really famous. It's on the cliff. It's called Tripp's Life. This is also run by those people. I will show you something. Can you believe that? This entire space is your private area, overlooking the cliff and the beautiful beach. This is the space, and this actually is the house. How cute is that? How simple, no? I mean, they're just utilizing the view. They've put 2 sunbeds. You can just lie down, enjoy the sun. There's a cute little bathtub thingy that has to be filled. It's 6 p.m. We anyway did not have any plans for today, like all other days. For now, we're just enjoying the sunset. So pleasant right now, but you can't see anything. Basically, this entire walk has a view because the beach is right down there. I think we've easily walked around 1.5 kilometers already, and this market is never ending.
The place is a little dicey, I'd say, but you have a lot of foreign tourists here. So, at least the food options for non-vegetarians are a little fancy because you do have a lot of foreigners, Europeans coming all the time. But veg food still remains to be a struggle.
Good morning. Today is the last day of the trip. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. The accommodation comes with breakfast, but they don't have any cook at the property. So they send breakfast from their cafe, which is Cafe Trip is Life. I have successfully clicked the breakfast. Now I'm heading back. Here is breakfast. That is French toast.
गिरा तो तुम्हारा बाहर आ जाएगा तो मैं क्या किया था.
Hello again from the same spot. हम जब से आए हैं, we've not been anywhere else apart from this sunbed and this view and the bathtub. So we're headed to the beach right now. We are at the property Cliff Stories. So they were kind enough to let us use this route to reach the beach because it's like direct steps. Otherwise we had to figure it out कि हम beach तक पहुँचेंगे कैसे. This is going to be a tough walk coming back. I think we should see what's in my bag because I'm really carrying a lot of stuff. We have some sunscreen, a little fan, hairbrush, a mat that we're going to use right now, we've got cup noodles, we have wipes because my friend needs it, for a water bottle that we should finish because we have to take steps back. Oh no! And we have some oranges and some chocolates and one more pan, a little Fiji can for instant. Sorry. Some chewing gum. Power bank. Very important. You know, I'm the girl who likes coming to the beach but not going in the water because I'm hydrophobic. So I just come with my friends while they go in the water. I just chill. We've been at the beach for about an hour and now it's getting hot. So we are heading back to some cafe. We've made it to the top in less than 10 minutes. Clearly, I had a poor judgment and maybe I forgot I'm a Pahadan. Very proud though कि हम इतनी जल्दी पहुंच गए. Now we're headed to Cafe Trip is Life.
We've left from Varkala and we're headed to Trivandrum now. However, our flight is at 11 p.m. at night. Right now it's 3 o'clock. We've booked to stay for a couple of hours so that we can just go and sleep, enjoy the breeze and not take the AC. So that's nice.
Finally made it to the aircraft. We're flying out from Trivandrum. I could not record anything at the airport because of security reasons. And there was some hassle with our luggage. We were carrying a lot of luggage. So we had to swap and blah blah. That took a while. Now we're headed home. We shall land in Bangalore